October 30th, 2025. Little Barrett's off to his first little vacation camping trip. Let's see how it goes. Going to Texas for 3 nights, 4 days. Drive through zoo. Hopefully it'll be fun. There's little Barrett. You ready to go to the zoo today, Bubba? Huh? There's Mama in there getting ready. Whoa, is that you on the screen? We are headed to the Dallas Zoo. First day of our little camping trip.
Is it?
Well, there he goes. Yeah. There he goes the other way.
1 year?
Yes. So is he.
He's almost 2 in December.
You gonna go through there? Oh, look at that thing, buddy. It's an armadillo. Look at the armadillo over here, Bubba. You wanna go with your mama down there?
Oh, it goes to those little pods out there. You scooching on your booties?
Get on your knees, turkey.
Coming too. Good job. No. Good job. There you go. Oh, now it's upside down. Sorry, it's the first time. Look at that. Look at this one's beard. Look at his beard. Baby, I love you. Are you having fun?
There's little Barrett.
Look. Hey.
Barrett.
Bye-bye.
Barrett.
Barrett, baby. Hey.
Oh, we got T-Rex up here. Well, look at this thing over here. Oh. This one right here, Bubba. Yeah. At the dinosaur exhibit at the Dallas Zoo. All these dinosaurs move and they make noises. There's one that was scaring Barrett earlier. Oh, squirting you.
Fries right here. Someone's got you.
Good job, buddy. You found a stick? Yeah? Who are you? You Sully? Yeah. I know what you want that's in there. He wants his little strider back. You want your back? There's what he wants right there. That little bicycle. We got little Sully over here on a strider bike. He's been on this maybe an hour altogether. He's getting used to it pretty good. Big old parking lot up here for him to run around in.
Hurry, come on, hurry, hurry.
Ah! Time for the Zoofari.
Whee!
Here we go. We're at the Texas Zoofari entrance.
Lucky.
And we got zebras right at the instant entrance. You see it, buddy?
Zebra.
Wow. Here it is, Bubba's.
Look, look, Daddy's gonna feed it. Look, over here to Daddy. Look. Wow. Hi, Mr.
Hi, little zebra. He's like, give me some food.
Oh, Lord.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
Oh, what do you think about that?
He's up here at the beginning so we can get all the food. He doesn't know you run out once you get on down in there.
Alright. Look at that little tiny.
Hi, buddy.
Over here. Here goes it. I'm not sure.
Oh, we got one over here on this side. We got the llama. Or is that alpaca?
I think it. No. Hi, friend.
Hi, buddy.
God, their eyeballs are huge.
Here we go.
Barrett, look. He's looking at you, babies. Say hi, friend. Here's another one.
Uh-oh. Big ol' eyes. Well, we're at Texas Zoofari, and we're 200 feet into it, and it's better than the zoo already.
Ooh, that's a big old. Look at that big old thing. Tastes like we're all the window now. You want to roll it down?
He's like, feed me,
Gosh,
feed me, feed me.
huge. You should hold it from the bottom. Oh. Okay, dang, you're strong.
He's like, yeah, I weigh 1,000 pounds, lady. What do you think, Bubba?
You want some? Get up here.
What's up, little deer? You got some little bitty antlers on you.
How do you That longhorn's like, I'm coming.
What's up, little longhorn? You hit my truck. You hit my truck again. Okay. What's up, little deer? What you doing? Nice rack.
Oh, his little eyes.
You having fun, Bubba? You see all the little deer over there? All you care about is the buttons on the dash, huh? Got us a deer fight going on up here. Alright. Let's start mile 2. Out of 6 miles. Going over the gate here. We got them waiting on us here.
Barrett, look. Barrett, look, baby. There's an animal.
Barrett's done over it.
Look, baby, over here's a big cow. Look, right here. Oh, say hi, big cow. Oh, that's a big fuzzy puppy.
We got the llama over here.
He's gonna lick you. Hey. That's a cow, says moo. Moo. Dude, his breath stinks. Moo. Gosh, that's a big cow.
Big old fluffy cow.
It's here before one of these things lick it. Don't. They're gonna think your hands are food and you're gonna get bit. We're headed home from your first camping trip. Did you have so much fun? Huh? I love you. Say hi. We're just wrapping it up, folks. Daddy's getting all the hoses and all the... This was our little campsite in Texas.